Hey, Jonathan.
Reverse action.
Jonathan. Jonathan.
Bye. Say bye.
Here. Come on. Come here. Here. Here he comes. Come on. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, he's gonna.
Come on.
Come on, Jonathan. Here. Get up. Oh, you gotta get him up. Close up even.
Woo, look at my nose. Mocos.
Here.
This is boring.
I know. Well, we gotta make him do something funny.
He's too small.
That's not funny.
Here, my turn. You and Melissa.
Me and Melissa.
No.
Hold. Come here, Monica.
And you got front and, push that.
It says battery, B-A-T-T.
Uh-oh, that means it's running out. But he still got some. It's alright. You can record him for a little more. Oh, look. Look at your hand. Look. Here? Look at here.
Yeah, who's that?
Look at it. Look at it.
Who's that?
Look. Look at it. There, let him go.
Jonathan,
I think
can't
gotta be on
you?
this side. Against the sun. Go on this side? Yeah, over there, over there.
Jonathan, Arani. Hey, Jones.
Come on. Ready? No. Hand up. Yeah, go get it. Hand up. Hand up.
Make him scream. He'll scream.
He's tired. He's getting mad at me. Uh-oh.
Do it again. Let him scream.
Are you sure? I'm gonna see this and get mad at me.
No. Hey, Jones.
Oh, shit! I think he's tired. He don't want to do no more. He gives up. Here. The battery's dead. What's your problem?
We got the okay from Miguel to go Oh yeah, Miguel, did you hear that?
What?
So we're going to LA.
Call your mama.
You didn't buy me nothing for Christmas?
Who didn't?
You? Come here. I was the witness last night. I heard you say you go by yourself.
Yeah.
You got it. So Yvette and I are both going to buy it.
Is that right?
I told my brother, I said, what is that for? And he was I said, I was having a hard time. And I said, what's that? I said, buy anything.
Uh-oh. Proof right here. She's giving him alcohol. Uh-oh.
No more.
So when he grows up and becomes a drinker, he's going to say, you started me, Mom.
Put on your gums. I know they're hurting.
That's scary, dark.
That's okay.
Child abuse.